Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are going to be making beef short rib chili. So before we get into our recipe, I really want to thank everyone for being part of Fat Boy Cooking. Your support means the world to me, whether you're trying out the recipes, leaving a comment, or just watching. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you never miss out on any of the upcoming videos. So with that being said, let's grab our ingredients and get our aprons, and let's make some beef short rib chili. For our short rib chili, we are going to need the following: boneless beef short ribs, kidney beans, black beans, crushed tomatoes, chipotle peppers in adobo, cilantro, red bell pepper, onion, jalapeno, tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, beef broth, garlic, brown sugar, chili powder, cumin, Cajun seasoning, smoked paprika, your favorite Mexican seasoning blend, and some all-purpose seasoning. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So the first thing we need to do is fully season our short ribs with some kosher salt. And we want to get all sides covered. And we want to go just a little heavy with this. And then once we get these all seasoned up, we're going to move over to the stove. All right, so we've got us a Dutch oven heating up over a medium-high heat. And so to this, we are going to add in our boneless beef short rib. And we are going to sear these on all sides. And so that's roughly probably going to take a good 3 to 5 minutes per side. As you can see, our short ribs have got a nice crust on all sides. So now I'm going to remove these from the pot, and then we're going to move on to our vegetables. All right, so now we're going to add in our onion, bell pepper, and jalapeno. And we're going to cook these down till our vegetables become soft. As you can see, our onions and all are starting to soften. So to this, we're going to add in our garlic, and we're going to let this cook for just about a minute or so. All right, so to this, we're going to now add in our chipotle with adobo. And I've taken a knife and I've just chopped up my adobo peppers a little bit. And then to this, we're going to add in our tomato paste also. And we're going to cook this for about a minute or so. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add in our beef broth. Oop, I'm going to lose my spoon in there. There we go. So we're going to give this a good mix, and then we're going to let this come up to a light simmer. All right, so our broth is coming up to a light simmer. I'm going to just leave it right where it's at. So to this, we're adding in our crushed tomatoes. Make sure we get all that out. There we go. And our Worcestershire sauce. Give that a stir. Just a little bit left. There we go. Then now we are going to add in our brown sugar, chili powder, cumin, Cajun seasoning, paprika, and Mexican seasoning. Going to give that a light stir. And now we're going to add back in our beef ribs, and we're going to make sure they're fully submerged. And we're going to let this come up to a light boil and then drop it to a simmer. All right, so this has come up to a nice little boil. So now we're going to cut this down to a simmer, and we're going to cover this and let this go for 2 to 3 hours or till the short ribs are fork tender. So this has been going for about 2.5 hours. Yes, as you can see, our beef is fork tender and it's falling apart. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove this from the pot and we're going to shred it up. All right, so I've shredded up my short ribs. So now we're going to add this back to the pot. And to this, we are going to be adding our black beans and our red kidney beans. Give this a quick stir. And we're going to add our cilantro. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to give this a quick taste test to see if it needs any additional seasonings. Maybe just a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Grab me another spoon. Perfect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to let this go for about another 15-20 minutes so that way the beans can get heated up. All right, this has been going for another 15 minutes or so, and we've got our beans all nice and heated up, so we're going to serve us up a bowl. Oh my God, this looks so good. The whole house smells nothing but like chili. So there we go. We've got us a bowl served up, and now we're going to have a taste test. Okay, so we've got our chili all served up in a nice bowl. So we're going to give this a quick stir, grab us some of the meat and the beans. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is great for them cold nights. So I'm hoping that everybody will give this recipe a try. Let me know how it turns out for you in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more of my cooking videos. So until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen. And I'm going to finish up my beef short rib chili. So enjoy.